Stop covering me, changing match.
Gotcha.
What if I get a cup? Just 18?
Just take it. Hey, cover me, Tiff. Cover me. Joanna, cover us here.
Hey, Joanna, you gotta cover!
What's up, guys? Basic Nerf here, and those clips you saw at the beginning are just a couple of the highlights of this capture the flag round me and my friends did indoors for the first time ever. The rules of this game are a little bit different than normal team deathmatch. It takes 2 hits to eliminate a player and make them respawn instead of 3, and a headshot auto takes them out. Respawn times are 15 seconds long in your base. There's 2 free floating flags on the map, and you need to have both of them in order for your team to get a point. First team to 3 points wins. We later found out there was a big flaw in this system of ours, because it's pretty hard to capture the flags actually, and so you'll get multiple video parts for this, but this is capture the flag .1 highlights. And as you can see here with my poorly drawn square from Microsoft Paint, this is pretty much the play area, basic shapes. The basic play area is pretty much a square. The top right line with a red, that's where one of the flags was located at, and the line on the left side is where the other flag was located at, and the 2 outer squares are where our bases / spawn points were. And so it's pretty much a rush to secure one flag at once, and then try to work your way into the opponent's base to try to capture their flag. And as you can see through this video, it was a bit of a challenge. We also had to move back that green flag on the left side of the map you see on the screen because it was too easy for teams to capture. We had played about a game or 2 before this and decided that the flag was indeed too easy to capture, so we moved it there. And now this is the true game. Right now the opposing team is up 1 point to none, and so with the rest of the highlights here, just keep that little score in mind. The flag on the left side of this map was in this room, and the flag on the right side of the map, the red flag, was down this hallway.
Let's see what's going on here. Whoa, timeout. They got both flags already.
You got both flags already.
You got both?
Yeah, you guys got both.
Airsoft glove.
I'm gonna go see.
Airsoft way, airsoft a paintball, I think. I'm not sure. But there you guys need to rush this side.
Okay, it's there. It's there. Okay, got 20 seconds, guys. I need some sprinters. 15.
Okay, you go after him, I'll go after you.
Wait, we should move that, but it's too late. We got 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, I'll go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go. Just launch our fire when you run that corner.
2, 3, I'm out. Go back to the spawn.
I need cover here. I need some help here. I need jump. Daniel, need help here.
Oh, yeah, I'm out. Ow. Oh,
Get the flag out. Go. Oh wow, that cannot fire at all. There's so much weapon failures.
Where is it?
I do not know, to be honest. I think they might have got it, but they're not saying anything. Dude, there's so many people here. Spread out. Chris, this isn't working.
I know. We have a flag already, you know, right? We have a flag. We have a flag.
Oh, we do? Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm coming back. Cover.
That's me. Do we have one?
Yeah, he's around the corner. Cover here, dude.
I'm running low on ammo.
Alright. I got your back! Oh shoot! I have a.
And you are dead.
Look out! Look out! Look out! Look out! Gotcha.
If I get a pop, just 18?
Just take it.
Addiction.
Cut Dimitri! Cut Dimitri! I'm gonna go back to respawn. They're pushing. Need backup. Need backup. Go there. Go there.
You would be so dead.
Is anyone here free to go on offensive? No.
I can't. Sorry. Got your back, Drew. Where that? Where that, Robert?
We're here.
Oh, Jolo, it's only one. Oh, it's okay, my bad.
I didn't get hit.
Huh? That's why, but where's the other flag?
Oh God, it is Cold War in there.
I want Cold War, me! Me! Malfunction, cover me! Yo, oh, that was empty mag, that's probably why. Got your back.
I'm done.
Got your back. Here, take mine.
Thanks, man.
Which was probably Chris's in retrospect, but whatever. There's a guy to your left, like on the wall.
Please, the very first one.
You're out, got him, got him. Got you, got you. One hit. Help me, guys. Got me, got me, got me. Coming through, coming through, coming through.
Got an answer on the girl.
Nice. Too damn tired. Too tired, Tiff. I have no clue what's going on.
Got him, he's dead. He's dead already. Over here, let's go. You dead? Are you just kidding me?
Yeah.
You're playing very low. You get back, you can reload it.
Hey, where's the flag? Let him go find it. Oh, you have an issue? Let's do it. Let's go, Soren!
Okay. Get him, Rashawn, get him. He looks fine. No, yeah.
Got to respawn.
Okay. Barrel tap, you have to respawn.
I know, I'm already dead.
Oh, okay, instead of shooting you, you know. Friendly, friendly. Move. Wait, Tiff, me.
I'm still alive, I got one shot.
Gosh. Hey, cover me, Tiff, cover me. Joanna, cover us here.
Hey,
Do it, you gotta cover.
no, get him.
Yeah, just start shooting.
Careful, that's right, they're on the right, they're on the right.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead.
I have one.
You got me once. Okay, you got me twice. Friendly coming out. Friendly. You lost your shoe again. Just kidding.
What? Really? That didn't even hit me.
Can you catch? Catch? Aaron, can you catch? Aaron? Oh, never mind.
Thank you. I can fight with this.
Wait, I got an idea. It's so crazy, it just might not work. Ow. Just wanted to do that. I love you. Wait. There was a dagger here. Where'd it go?
This? Or dagger?
This and the dagger. I don't know, dude. Wait, check behind the door. Oh, right here. Hashtag YOLO, go, hashtag YOLO. No! I'm out. I gotta see. Sorry. YOLO!
Oh my god. That's amazing. That's amazing. You guys, I told you. You got him. That's myself. Round, oh my god. Are we gonna have to spend a long time?